Volkswagen Tiguan is back in the country after it was discontinued in 2020 when the new emission laws kicked in. It's back with a cosmetic changes to the exterior and the interior, but the biggest change is the introduction of a new petrol engine. What are the changes? What is the price? We will tell you all about it, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we go live with a new automotive content. Now, as the name suggests, it is a facelift, so what the front section gets are these new matrix LED headlamps. It also gets these two slate chrome grille, which is new, and sitting below that is a new set of front bumpers. Moving to the side, it retains the character lines, it retains its design from the predecessor, but what's new here is this new set of alloy wheels, which are 18 inches, which were previously also 18 inches, but it's just the new design that it gets. It doesn't enhance the look overall that much, but it does give a fresh appeal. Moving to the back, you get a new LED elements for the tail lamps, you get a new rear bumper, and you get the Volkswagen lettering on the boot lid. And to top it all off, the SUV is available in 7 exterior paint shades. Overall, the changes aren't much, but in fact are extremely precise to give this SUV a bold touch. Now, the inside is pretty much the same as before, but what Volkswagen has done is given it a slight attention to the details that makes all the difference. Now, the biggest difference is that the climate control gets touchscreen instead of the traditional knobs and switches. What else is new is the new steering wheel that is sourced from the Volkswagen Tiguan, and we will drive the car very soon to tell you more about the feedback from this steering. And the other thing that's new to the steering wheel and to the cabin is the new logo that is embossed on the center of this wheel. Apart from that, most of the elements are retained and gets the same features. The Volkswagen Tiguan is available in a single fully loaded elegance trim, and so comes with a powered panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, ambient lighting, a 10-inch digital instrument screen, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It is connected with the car tech as well. It gets an 8-way powered driver's seat and much more. Safety is taken care by 6 airbags, ABS with ESP, hill start assist and hill descent assist, a tire pressure monitor, ISOFIX anchors for the children, and a driver alert system. Now, as we've already mentioned, the biggest addition to the Volkswagen Tiguan is the 2-liter TSI turbocharged petrol engine. This unit develops 190 brake horsepower and 320 Newton meters of peak torque and sends all this power to all the 4 wheels via the 7-speed DSG box. Now, what works in the favor of the Tiguan is that it has a more superior powertrain with more power and more torque. So how it works against the rivals, we'll get to know about that very soon once we get behind the wheel. Now, when we compare it with the Hyundai Tucson and the Jeep Compass, both of them are offered with a petrol and diesel powertrains. However, the Tiguan at 31,99,000 rupees comes with only a single petrol engine model. Now, the timing probably seems appropriate for the company as the new generation Tucson will be coming to India next year. But till then, do tell us what you think of the prices, do tell us what you think about the car in the comment section below.